Welcome to kusum.net. This is C# practical programming tutorial and you are watching count of duplicate numbers in array program. Okay, let's play the code. To count the duplicate number of array, we have to create array first. Okay, so integer, suppose array 1 equal to new integer of 5 size. Okay, in the array 5 elements. Okay, right now for duplicate array I will create a copy of array and paste into in another array. Okay, and display the duplicate number of arrays. For that, so I will create another array. So integer array 2 equal to new integer 5. Okay, so that I can copy my array inside of this. Okay, so original array will copy into this and the duplicate number of arrays will be different and that will be this one. Okay, so only the duplicate number of arrays copy will be displayed at last. Okay, new integer of 5. Okay, the first array is my original array. Second one I will copy into this array. Okay, in the array 2 and process on it and remove the separate the duplicate number of arrays and that will be paste inside this array 3. Okay, and at last I will display this array 3. Okay, now for that process I required counter variable. So counter and one variable, another is m equal to 1. Okay, why this m equal to 1? Because the duplicates array if not found then that may be 1. So we have to accept that that is all the numbers are have one count. Okay, now okay, CW. Okay, double tap console.writeline, enter elements of array. So we will accept enter elements of array. Okay, so user will put the elements and we will display like that. For double tap, okay, integer I equal to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus. Okay, CW tap the number of elements okay, and that will be I. Okay, whatever the user will put that numbers this one and it will display one by one and we will read that one. So console dot read line okay. So to read these numbers, what we will do, integer dot parse console dot read line. Okay, so we will read these numbers and these of array 1 I elements. Okay, equal to integer dot parse console dot read line. So if we run our program, you can see it display enter element of array, then it will accept the number of elements. The zero element will be suppose 1, first element, second, third, 4, 5, okay. So up to 0 to 4 means total 5 elements will be accepted, okay. Now we have to process for duplicate array. First we will copy this array into another array and there we will process, okay. So for that we copy array, okay. So array dot copy, and inside of that where to copy of array 1 to array 2, okay, and up to the length of array 1 dot length, okay. So I have copied my array 1 to array 2. Now again I will run for loop, okay, and here array 1 dot length, okay, this for first array, and now I will run the second loop for copy of array, okay. So here j is less than array 1 dot length, okay, array 1 dot length, okay. Now inside of this I will write the logic. If array of I, array 1 of I, okay, equal to array 2 of j, means if copied correctly inside of array 2, then process these things, okay. So what things we have to process? We have to process that now you copy these elements of array 2 inside of element of array 3i, okay, and store into the m variable that we have declared, okay, store into the m variable, okay, and increment the counter of m, okay. So it will store into the array 3, and what is the value of m equal to 1. If not do this, then the value of m equal to 1, and do this, then array 3 of I equal to m. So the value of array 3 will be stored into the m, and now we will display this array 3, okay. So duplicate numbers will be find here, okay, and we will now paste these duplicate numbers into the array 3, okay. So for that we will run again the for loop for, now this one will be array 3 dot length, okay, array 3 dot length, and inside of this if array 3 of I, okay, is greater than equal to 2. It means in array 3 if duplicate number, if numbers count is greater than equal to 2, it means more than 1 times, okay, then this duplicates number counter will be increased. So counter plus plus, okay, and we will display this counter, okay, so that duplicate number total count will be displayed, okay. This is the logic of duplicate number. Okay. So to display the duplicate number, so console CW double tab total number of duplicates is this counter. Okay, so counter, right, and we will read the elements. So console dot read line. Okay, now why this read line? Unassigned local variable counter. Okay, this counter. Okay, integer count equal to 0. Okay, we will first put it as a 0. Now it's removed. Okay, let's see. Add the numbers 1 1. So 2 times I have added one number. Okay, 2 2 3. So total duplicates numbers are 1 1 2 2, this 4 times. So total number of duplicates is 4. Right? So you understand this program? Okay, first this is my original array, then I will copy this array inside of this array 2. Okay, and in array 3 I will find the duplicate number and display inside of that. For that a counter required, and the number of original unique elements is displayed as a 1. Okay, I have using this for loop for 5 times. Okay, and read that elements, copy the elements into array 2, then again for each loop for array 1 and array 2. So array 1 for I, array 2 for j, and if really copy array 1 into array 2, then we will store into array 3 as a m variable and increment that one. And if not the copy of array 1 to array 2, then it will count as m equal to 1. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you, have a great day.